My name's Tom Spencer. I'm the program manager for the remote sensing and UAS program in the Jacksonville District Army Corps of Engineers. The use of drones for Hurricane Ian response is a very effective tool. It can be used for a quick flight. You can get data down and provide that to decision makers for the most effective use of their resources. Drones are being ramped up for disaster response. Early on, they were used for more scientific tools for like engineering, mapping, like orthomosaics, and now they're starting to realize how useful they are for hurricane type effort, like hurricane response efforts. They basically can get you into the area where manned aircraft sometimes cannot access, or if you've got a cloud cover, that you could fly underneath that cloud cover and get some very useful products. So with drones, you can get in areas that are very, very deteriorated. If you've got trees falling over, typically you're not going to be able to climb in and get to these areas for assessment of structures, critical infrastructure and things like that. You can basically get a drone in there whenever you physically cannot get in there and get some really useful data. In a hurricane response situation, drones basically can get information out and get the infrastructure rebuilt in a much quicker, more efficient manner than if you did not have this as a tool. These drones are affordable, easy to deploy, and most situations they will provide a better, more higher quality product than what the manned aircraft can do in a more timely response. As a homeowner's perspective, when they see a UAS or drone being operated out there, we are going to get some very quick and rapid responses, and this tool or end product is going to be provided to the decision makers, and they will be able to deploy resources in a very efficient way. So at the end of the day, survivors can begin their rebuilding process quicker.